Have you ever found an old family video, a low-res phone clip, or a blurry piece of footage and wished it looked crisp, modern, and professional? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily upscale your videos to stunning 4K using AVCLabs. AVCLabs is an AI technology platform that specializes in video and photo editing solutions. Their flagship desktop software, AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI, uses advanced deep learning neural networks to breathe new life into your footage. Unlike traditional editors that just stretch out low-res pixels, this AI actually reconstructs details, making your videos clearer, sharper, and much more detailed. Using it is incredibly straightforward. First, you'll want to head over to avclabs.com and download the software, which is available for both Windows and Mac. Once you open the program, simply import your low-resolution video. From there, you can select your target resolution, whether that's standard HD, 4K, or even 8K. But it does more than just upscale. You can also toggle on features to restore facial details, reduce motion blur, and stabilize shaky camera footage. AVCLabs also offers specialized tools like Video Blur AI to automatically detect and blur faces or license plates, and tools to easily remove unwanted watermarks. Once you've selected your settings, you just let the AI do the heavy lifting. Now, to keep things completely honest, we don't have a database of third-party user reviews to share with you today. However, looking at the software itself, the biggest pro is definitely its automated one-click simplicity. You don't need to be a professional editor to get high-quality results. On the downside, because AI video processing is highly complex, it can be demanding on your computer's hardware, meaning render times will vary depending on how fast your computer is. If you want to see what it can do for your footage, you can try AVCLabs AI Enhancer for free by visiting avclabs.com. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides, and let me know in the comments how your 4K upscaling went. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.